Hello YouTube, I am Meeris and I will tell you how to install Mongoose or MongoDB on Windows 10. This is my first video on the channel, so please like and subscribe. In this tutorial, we will install MongoDB and also insert an atom or collection into the test database as well. First of all, we have to download MongoDB from mongodb.com/download-center/community. Select your version and I will prefer zip. Click on download. So your zip your database test your database in zip format will be downloaded. I have already downloaded and extracted into the C drive. So we will move into the next step, which is starting this MongoDB server and accessing the database. So click on or we will now please remember your path where you have extracted the MongoDB. CD. In my case, I have extracted into the C drive with folder name MongoDB/bin. We have to access bin folder in MongoDB. So first of all, we have to start the server, MongoDB server. On one terminal, MongoDB service will running, and on another, which is server side, and on another terminal, we will using accessing that server. That will be the client side. This is server side. We have to start the MongoDB server. mongod is the command to start the server. Here we go. This cursor will always be prompted. It means the MongoDB server is running. Now we have to open another terminal, which is basically client terminal, through which we will access the MongoDB. We will access the MongoDB. To access the MongoDB, it is client side. This terminal is client side. That terminal was server side. We will start Mongo. Here we go. Now we will check the database by just simply write db. This is the test database. It is by default or pre-built-in database. So we will insert a value, a username, basically a collection, because data is saved into the JSON format, JSON type format. So we can say it is collection rather than data or complete tabular data, because MongoDB is NoSQL database. We will insert a value into the database, collection into the database. db.data, obviously data.insert. So basic username, for example, meeriztech. Just simply enter. Right result inserted. Now we will retrieve our collection, our data, with db.find command. db.data.find command. Sorry. Here we go. I have already added, inserted for testing purpose. So this was my third value. You can see username is same, but ID is changed. This is unique ID. It will be generated automatically by MongoDB. This is for today. Please like and subscribe. This is my first video, so please ignore my mistakes. Thank you.